Do you want to catch your visitor's eye as soon as they visit on your website? Well, a full screen pop-up is a great way to do that. With a full screen pop-up, you can run a discount, grow your email list. Also, you can promote special events. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a full screen pop-up step by step using WordPress and PopupKit. First, you need to install and activate the PopupKit plugin. Then from the WordPress dashboard, go to PopupKit, click on campaigns and then click choose from templates. In the template library, filter by campaign type full screen. You can also filter by free or pro templates or pick seasonal ones like Black Friday, Halloween or Valentine's Day. Hover over a design to preview and then click use template. Give your campaign a clear name, then click import. This takes you straight into the editor. Each block has two tabs, content. From here, you can edit text, links, or button actions. And the other one is style. From here, you can change fonts, colors, and layout. When you are happy with your design, click publish. Your full screen pop-up is live. And that's how you create a full screen pop-up using PopupKit. And don't forget to like and subscribe our channel WPMate.